my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, it's gonna be pretty special because it's my 100th essential oil video here on my channel. Today I will be featuring this limited edition Young Living oil called Amoressence. So if this is something that you'd like to get to know more about, then please keep watching. Alright, so for today, let's talk about Amoressence. Amoressence is a limited edition oil that you can't get on the normal Young Living catalog. It's only available at the beauty school. So every year, Young Living has this class or like a retreat. It's called the beauty school, wherein you will learn essential oil formulations in relation to beauty products or cosmetics. So Amoressence is given to all the students attending the beauty school, and I was able to get a hold of this because of my upline. So thank you so much, Kat. And this is one of the limited edition oils that's really very pleasant. Actually, tinitipid ko siya because it smells so good. It smells amazing. And luckily, we have information about Amoressence here on this book. This is what you call the Essential Oils Desk Reference for Animals. This is from Life Science again. Life Science doesn't produce these books anymore. So again, I'm lucky to have a copy of this book. I got this also through Kat, my upline. She's been very helpful. When I was starting my Young Living journey, she was very helpful, and all throughout, her support is really amazing. So let's go back to Amoressence. So Amoressence is a limited edition blend available only at Young Living's beauty school. There's not much information written here simply because I guess not everyone can get a hold of it. And it says here the ingredients are vetiver, Idaho blue spruce, another very sought after oil, jasmine, one of the most expensive oils out there, Davana, Osotea, Ilang Ilang, Roman chamomile, vanilla, and geranium. That's why this smells so sweet, so amazing. If there's a specific oil that I would recommend if you want to, I guess, invoke passion or invoke, you know, something that you would use for Valentine's Day, something that you would diffuse on a really nice romantic date, I would recommend Amoressence. And you may notice that Amoressence is labeled as, I guess, pink. So let me just check on which chakra is this related. Alright, so I would say this is related to your root chakra or your crown chakra, somewhere in between two of those. And I would say it would be appropriate because the first ingredient in this oil is vetiver, and vetiver is a very grounding oil which really supports your root chakra. I'm not really like an expert about chakra, but you know, based on my conversation with my latest Spotify episode on Live Well with Aromatherapist Jirbie Go. If you haven't followed me yet, if you haven't subscribed on me on Spotify, don't forget to subscribe now. I will link it down below. I talk about different essential oil topics every week, and my episode last Sunday was about essential oils and crystals and chakras. So if you're interested with that, don't forget to check it down below. I will put the link down below. I am also available on Apple Podcasts. So there are more ways for us to be together. And yeah, to give you like a very brief, I guess, description of this oil, it's a very musky, floral type of blend. It's definitely floral, but you can sense the grounding properties of it. So it's a really good oil to be used as your perfume. It's a good oil to be used on your passive diffusers, meaning your ceramic diffusers. Also good to be used here on your sonic diffusers. That's going to be fine, but I love using it on passive diffusers like your essential oil pendants or your ceramic diffusers because it's really grounding. So the oil tends to linger in the air. And if you have access to the beauty school, for example, if your upline is based in the US and they can attend the beauty school, don't think twice about trying to get your hands on this because it's really one of the best. One of my favorites as well. That's why I really try to use this very wisely. I don't just, you know, slather it on everywhere. I use it on special occasions. And when you store your oils properly, they tend to last for a long time. So this has been with me for about 2 years and it's still just as good. It still smells amazingly. It still smells like the first time I opened it. So before I end this video, I'd want to invite everyone to join me on my online workshops. I have a lot of online classes available right now through Capricorn Dreams. We have our soap making workshop, we have our shampoo bar making workshop, we also have our candle making workshop, and as well as natural deodorant making workshop. We also have pre-recorded videos so that you can take on each classes at your own pace on our Patreon. I will link everything again down below. But if you want to have a live online workshop, we also have some of them available this September. And I just want to remind you, if you want to learn more about essential oils, I am also available now on Spotify and on Apple Podcasts. Just search for Couch Wasabi and you will find my Live Well with Aromatherapist Jirbie Go podcast. I hope to see you there. Also, for my next episode, I will be talking about the difference of your sonic diffuser, of your passive diffuser, and of your humidifiers. This is because one of my friends, Jenzel, she's also a YouTuber, so she requested for me to have a video about that so that it would help a lot of newbies, and I'm currently preparing for that. So if you want to learn more about that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will definitely be uploading that video soon. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!